Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be my reveal video for the Harrier 50th anniversary buddy build on Facebook, hosted by Martin, the International British Modeler. Of course, this is the Hasegawa 1/72nd scale Sea Harrier FRS Mark 1. Before I show you the final reveal and talk a little bit about the kit, let's take a look at some of the things that I did to bring it up to final completion. I'll be right back. As you can see, the model is painted and glossed, and I'm doing the extra dark sea gray over white, and for the gray I used Vallejo Model Air extra dark UK extra dark sea gray, and for the bottom I used the good old XF2. right, guys, here she is. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. Went together really well. It is an older molded kit, however, it's a Hasegawa. You got recessed panel lines, some fairly good detail, not much seam work other than just, of course, sanding down where the fuselage halves join. I did have to add a little bit of filler in both wing roots and do a little bit of sanding. The decals went on great. I'm very happy with those. Take a look at the top here. I need to invest in a lazy Susan so I can spin it around like some of you guys have. I put the pilot figure in there. I did close up the cockpit. I don't know, just did. So there is, as you see from my earlier videos, there is a little bit of detail in the cockpit, but being 1/72nd, there's not a ton. Let's take a look on the underside. I didn't heavily weather the aircraft. I'm more of a subtle approach. As you can see from the prior segments, I did a little washing with clay-based washes, and I think it brought out the panel lines pretty well, and just added a little bit of grime. Shows a little bit of use. The jet nozzles, they snap in, and you can move them around, but I'm not going to mess with them. I did a little bit of dry brushing with metallic gray on this one, and also inside of the so-called cold air nozzle. For the sidewinders, the kit didn't come with any decals for the sidewinders, but I had some left over from another kit, and I had sidewinder missiles, and so I had some stripes, so I added those to it to give it a little bit more realism. Okay. And again, I drilled these holes here on the Aiden gun pods. I guess they're I don't know, muzzle holes or ventilation, or there might be shell ejector chutes. Not quite sure exactly. So, but there she is, guys. I'm really happy. I always have fun building my models, but for some reason this one really, I guess maybe because it was a buddy build and we were all sharing photos and videos, and it was neat to see other people and knowing that a lot of other people were building Harriers. So really had fun with this, really enjoyed it. And I would really recommend this kit. I know it's probably not as detailed as one of the new Airfix Harriers, but for less than $12 on online retailers, I don't think you can go wrong. I just thought it was, I really enjoyed it. I'm going to try to get a, like to do a couple more of these. I know the Hasegawa makes the Marines AV8 Harriers and GR3 Harriers with the camouflage, so wouldn't mind having a little collection of these. One of the only other issues that I kind of noticed after the fact is, if you notice right down here, where the outer portion of the air intake joins up, it really doesn't. I didn't really get it flush, but it's inside there. It's hard to see. But I guess if I ever do this kit again or one of the other variants, I'll make sure I correct that. But otherwise, it's hard to tell. But it doesn't bother me. So okay. But otherwise, I want to thank Martin for hosting the group build. I know a lot of you guys are YouTube modelers as well, and I enjoyed seeing your videos and progress videos of the build. And also in the description of this video, I'll have a link again to the Facebook page where you guys can go in and take a look at all the other builds that have been completed. And I want to thank you for watching and subscribing, and appreciate that. Otherwise, I will get start another kit here soon, and I'll have a preview and a box opening of that kit. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you later. Take care.